Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this yummy and delicious minced rice, also called dirty rice. If today is your first time I'm coming across this video, you're welcome. And if today is your first time I'm coming across this channel, you are welcome. With no further ado, let's jump right to the video. In a clean pot, I will be adding my washed parboiled rice. You can use basmati rice, you can use any rice of your choice. And thereafter, I'll go ahead to add some chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you can still use water. So after adding the stock, I'll go ahead to add just a little water to this so that it will cook the rice fully, and then I'll go ahead to stir everything up. If you have watched up to this moment, thank you. Please kindly subscribe, share and like. Now I'll go ahead to cover this to cook for few minutes, and then I'll open up the pan. And next I will go ahead to fluff this rice because it has cooked already. I'll just go ahead to fluff this, and thereafter I will set this aside. If you have watched up to this moment, please guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't also forget to share. Okay, if you are frequent here and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead to subscribe. Thank you. I will set this aside. In another clean pan, I'll go ahead to add some vegetable oil, allow to hot, and then I'll add my chopped onions, and then give everything a good stir and allow this to fry for a few minutes before adding the next ingredient. The next ingredient I'll be adding is this grinded meat. I used grinded turkey. You can use chicken, you can use beef, depending on what you are able to lay your hands on. So just go ahead to stir this and allow this to fry. Thank you guys for watching so far. Please don't forget to subscribe. I went ahead to add some ginger garlic paste. Now I'll be adding some onions powder, and then I'll go ahead to add salt, and then I went ahead to add some Maggi. So I'm using no Maggi. Then I'll go ahead to add some fresh parsley, and then I'll add some soya pepper at this time, and then I'll go ahead to give everything a good stir. And if you are not able to lay your hands on any of these spices I just used, you can still go ahead to cook your minced rice or dirty rice like that. So I fried this for a few minutes, and now that it is fried, I'll go ahead to add my chopped carrots at this point, and then I will be adding bell pepper, and now I will be adding tomatoes. All these are optional. If you're unable to lay your hands on any of them, I will go ahead to also add some atarudo, aka fresh pepper, the one you can tolerate, and thereafter I will give everything a good stir. If you have watched up to this moment, please guys, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thank you. Please guys, subscribe to this channel. I promise that you will not regret subscribing to this channel. Subscribe, and share this video. Thank you guys. I will cover this to cook for 5 to 10 minutes in a low medium heat, and then I will open up the pan. Look at that guys. Can you see the oil that is on top? That is to show that our cooked beef or cooked grinded chicken with vegetable is ready. So I'll just stir this and stir. And now I'll be reintroducing my rice into the minced meat, and then I will give everything a good stir. Stir this up so that everything will combine together. And I will cover this to cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I will open up the pan. I added some butter, and then stir everything together so that the butter and the rice and the minced turkey will marry together. Now I'll be adding some spring onions to garnish it up. Thank you guys for watching up to this moment. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Guys, our dirty rice or minced turkey rice is ready. We will be giving this a try. If you do, please don't forget to tag me. Don't forget to share your experience in the comment section. Thank you guys for always stopping by to watch my videos. Please subscribe to this channel once again. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Yeah, I just went ahead to serve some on the plate for my husband, and he really loved this food. He enjoyed it because it was so delicious. It was so yummy. I think this is a meal that you can cook for your family. You can use this as dinner, also for lunch. You can also pair this up with some salad. So I just went ahead to add some turkey alongside with it. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye and keep eating good food. Love you guys.